Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy to see you again.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. I'm really excited about today's lesson.
Me too. Today, we're going to talk about something very important. We're going to learn how to improve your English speaking fluency.
Yes, and don't worry, it's easier than you think. We have some amazing tips for you today.
If you want to speak English smoothly and confidently, this video is perfect for you.
That's right. So before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Yes, please. It really helps us to keep making these videos for you.
And if you subscribe, you'll never miss our lessons.
All right, are you ready?
Let's do this. Let's learn how to speak English fluently.
So, let's start with a simple question. What does fluency mean?
Great question. Fluency means you can speak smoothly without stopping too much.
Exactly. When you speak fluently, the words come out easily and naturally.
It's like when you speak in your own language. You don't think too much, right?
Right. The words just flow. That's fluency.
So today, we'll teach you how to get that fluency in English.
Perfect. Let's start with tip number 1. Are you ready?
Yes, tip number 1 is think in English, not in your language.
This is so important. When you think in English, speaking becomes faster.
Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to say, I'm hungry.
If you think in your language first, you translate it. That takes time.
Right, but if you think directly in English, you just say, I'm hungry. It's faster.
So, how can you practice thinking in English?
Easy. Start with simple things. When you wake up, think, I'm awake. I'm hungry. I need coffee.
Yes, talk to yourself in English in your head.
When you see a dog, think, that's a cute dog. Don't translate it.
Exactly. Think in English. This really helps your fluency.
Let's practice together. What are you thinking right now?
I'm thinking, I'm happy to teach English today.
Great. See? Thinking in English. That's tip number 1.
Now, let's move to tip number 2. This one is really fun.
Tip number 2 is speak out loud every day, even if you're alone.
Yes, many students only practice in their heads. That's not enough.
You need to use your mouth, your tongue, your voice.
Speaking out loud helps your brain and your mouth work together.
Let me give you an example. Imagine you're making breakfast.
You can say out loud, I'm making breakfast. I'm putting bread in the toaster.
Or you can say, now I'm pouring milk. The milk is cold.
Yes, describe everything you do in English.
It sounds funny, but it really works.
Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Just keep talking.
The more you speak out loud, the more fluent you become.
So our advice is speak out loud for at least 10 minutes every day.
You can talk about your day, your plans, or describe what you see.
Perfect. So remember, speak out loud every day. That's tip number 2.
Now, let's talk about tip number 3. This is a big one.
Tip number 3 is don't worry about grammar mistakes when you speak.
Oh, this is so important. Many students stop speaking because they're afraid of mistakes.
But fluency is about speaking smoothly, not perfectly.
That's right. Native speakers make mistakes too.
The important thing is to keep talking. Don't stop.
Let me show you. If I say, yesterday I go to the store, that's a grammar mistake.
Yes, it should be yesterday I went to the store.
But did you understand me?
Of course, I understood perfectly.
See, communication is more important than perfect grammar.
When you practice fluency, focus on speaking smoothly first.
You can fix grammar later, but if you stop every time, you'll never be fluent.
Exactly. So don't worry about grammar mistakes. Just keep speaking.
Let's practice. Tell me about your morning today. Don't worry about mistakes.
Okay, This morning I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast and I drink coffee.
Great job. You kept talking. Yes, you said wake up, but it should be woke up.
But you understood me, right?
Perfectly. That's what matters. Keep speaking and your grammar will improve naturally.
See, don't worry about mistakes. That's tip number 3.
Now, let's talk about tip number 4. Ready?
Tip number 4 is learn phrases, not just words.
This is a game changer. Many students learn individual words.
But when you learn whole phrases, you speak more fluently.
Let me explain. Imagine you learn the word tired.
That's good, but what if you learn the phrase, I'm so tired?
That's much better. Now you have a complete sentence ready.
Or you can learn, I'm tired of waiting, or I'm too tired to cook.
See, these are complete phrases you can use immediately.
When you learn phrases, you don't have to think about grammar.
The phrase is already correct. You just say it.
Let me give you more examples. Instead of learning hungry, learn I'm getting hungry.
Instead of just busy, learn I'm really busy right now.
Instead of late, learn sorry I'm late or am I late?
These phrases help you speak faster and more naturally.
So our advice is always learn phrases, not just words.
Write them down, practice them, use them every day.
That's tip number 4. Learn phrases, not just words.
All right, now let's move to tip number 5.
Tip number 5 is listen to English every day and copy what you hear.
Yes, listening is super important for fluency.
When you listen, you learn how native speakers really talk.
You learn the rhythm, the pronunciation, the natural way of speaking.
So what should you listen to?
You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, or TV shows.
And here's the secret. Listen and repeat what you hear.
If someone says, "How's it going?" you say, "How's it going?"
Copy their pronunciation, copy their tone, copy everything.
This is called shadowing. It's a very powerful technique.
Let me give you an example. Listen to this. I can't believe it.
Now you say it. I can't believe it.
Good. Again, that sounds amazing.
You repeat, that sounds amazing.
See how this works? You're training your mouth to speak like a native speaker.
Do this for 15 minutes every day, and you'll see big improvements.
So remember, listen to English every day and copy what you hear.
That's tip number 5. Now let's do a fun role play practice.
Yes, let's practice everything we learned today.
I'll ask you some questions and you answer quickly. Don't think too much.
Okay, I'm ready. Ask me anything.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I watched a movie and I cooked dinner.
Nice. What's your plan for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm going to study English and meet some friends.
Perfect. See how smooth that was?
Yes, I didn't stop to think about grammar. I just kept talking.
That's exactly what fluency means.
Now let me ask you some questions.
Go ahead.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza.
Why do you like pizza?
Because it's delicious and easy to eat.
When did you usually eat pizza?
I usually eat pizza on weekends with my friends.
Great job! You answered smoothly and naturally.
Thank you. This is how you should practice every day.
Yes, find a friend and practice asking and answering questions.
Or you can practice alone in front of a mirror.
The important thing is to speak, speak, speak.
Now, let's review everything we learned today.
Tip number 1. Think in English, not in your language.
Tip number 2, speak out loud every day, even if you're alone.
Tip number 3. Don't worry about grammar mistakes when you speak.
Tip number 4, learn phrases, not just words.
And tip number 5. Listen to English every day and copy what you hear.
If you follow these tips, your fluency will improve so much.
Remember, fluency takes practice. Be patient with yourself.
Practice a little bit every day and you'll see amazing results.
You can do this. We believe in you.
Yes, you are doing great.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's lesson.
We hope you enjoyed learning about how to improve your English speaking fluency.
These tips are really powerful. Use them every day.
And remember, practice makes perfect.
Now we have homework for you. This is very important.
Please leave a comment and tell us which tip will you try first.
Will you think in English? Will you speak out loud? Tell us in the comments.
We read all your comments and we love hearing from you.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speaklio English if you haven't already.
Hit that like button and share this video